Hello friend, this is Nemo from GospelBoat. Nice to see you again. Today I'm glad to introduce this boat to you. The black one behind me. It is ready to be delivered to Australia. This boat is our 7.5 meter Profisher. I have made several introductions of this model. This size is very suitable for family use, so till now it is our best seller. For cabin inside, we can customize according to customers' preference. So you may say for each boat, it will be a little different. Okay, let me show you this boat. For the outlook, I won't talk too much. It is a deep wave design and the double chine. This will guarantee the performance on breaking wave and stability. So let's have a look of the inside. Now I'm standing at the rear part, so you can see the basic layout of this boat. Front is rest area, sleeping area. This is the cabin area. This is the deck area for fishing. And basically our boat consists of these three parts. So let's begin from front. This is the sleeping area. There will be soft cushions here because when we deliver the boat, the cushions will be taken off, so we don't put it on. You can access to the electric winch from this hatch, so easy to maintenance. And this is a LED light. Toilet. When we put the cushions, the toilet will be hidden under the cushions. It is electric. When you press this, the pump will begin to work. And you can see this is the door keeper. So the door won't move on the wave. Cup holders, and you can put small items here. And this plate is about 3 centimeters higher, so the item won't drop down. This is the dashboard. This area for customer to install the electronics, the steering wheel, control for the winch, switch panel, fuel gauge. This is for the throttle of engine. Each side one flip up captain seat. And behind a bench seat with storage. 2 door each side. Customer wanted to install fridge, sliding out fridge. So we also make the slider already and prepare the wire ready just to connect it to the fridge. Okay, this is the storage on the deck. The deck area for fishing, and under this plate is the fuel tank. We leave a hatch for you to inspect it easily. Side pocket is each side 2-side pocket. In the gunnel, rod holders, cup holders. At the rear part, this is a folding seat. When you don't use it, you can fold it up. Battery box, So you can put several batteries inside. We have got the wires ready. Just connect to the batteries. Okay, this is the switch. All wires goes through this tunnel to the dashboard. This is a cutting bait board. Usually we will make this at the live bait tank, but the customer asks us to change it to a drawer. So you can see. This is a spare live bait tank. Rear part, reels with rod holders, and each side one ladder. This is the extended hardtop. It covers the whole deck, so will protect you from the rain or the sunlight. And this is the 2 ones on roof. LED light. The wires can go freely on top. So when you want to install some electronics, it is very convenient to get the wires go inside the boat. Let's have a look at the roof. This is a step for you to climb on the roof. We leave big space, so you can lay down to enjoy the sunlight, to have a sunlight base. This is our 7.5 meter Profisher. This size is the most popular size. For family use, it won't be too big, not too small. So if you go out and together with your child, this size is enough. You can sleep, children can sleep inside, and you can sit here or here to enjoy some drink and food. You also can fishing at the deck area. So based on fishing function, we make it as comfortable as we can. And the most important, the price is affordable, and it is very cost effective. Okay, friend, if you are interested in this boat and have a purchase plan of a fishing boat, feel free to contact with me. I will be helpful, and I think I can help you to get a satisfied boat. Okay, friends, see you next time.